Hey guys, Vishnu here. I welcome you back to Baki. Guys, I was craving for my favorite juice, so I'm going towards my one of the favorite destination where I'll have my favorite juice. Yes, what is my favorite juice? I'm gonna tell you later, but I wanna tell you about this destination. This is one of the best juice parlors in Dubai, and whenever you will visit Dubai, please do visit this juice world. It's located at the Al Rigga in Dubai. So why it's special? Let's move to our destination and see, and let's explore the juice world. Guys, before we reach to the venue, I would like to tell you this juice world has 200 plus juice combinations or the varieties. This facility has been visited by many celebrities including John Ibrahim, Dipika Padukone and Ranvir Singh. Apart from juices and their combinations, Juice World has their own salads, sandwiches and faloodas also. I think we are gonna reach to the destination. Oh god, I'm so excited. Guys, this is how it looks from outside. Let's go inside and explore. Friends, I'm already inside the Juice World. I'm just going upstairs to see how it is. I've never been upstairs. I've been here many times, but I took a takeaway and I just went off. So let's see how it is upstairs. This venue is very clean and hygienic. They really maintain the area. Wow, see the interior, how sleek, stylish and clean it is. The decor and the furniture looks fancy but simple. I'm sure this venue is very good for the quality company or the person you love to spend the time with them and enjoy the fresh juices, faloodas or salad. From the venue, the view is very good. It's a main road of Al Rigga. Especially this street is very popular for the young crowd, and in the evening it looks beautiful. Guys, let's go downstairs because my friends are waiting. I've already ordered for my favorite juice. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I've ordered mango and avocado mix. Trust me, this combination is lovely. It tastes like a heaven. Whenever you will get a time, do try this. It's very pulpy, thick and healthy also. As you know guys, I'm a health conscious guy and I do eat only healthy stuff
Oh, really?
and I don't take sugar, and their juices are sugar free. They make it out of fresh juice pulp only. So guys, I'll just show you the menu. You can see there are different varieties and there are different segments for the different prices. The juices will come exactly how it is shown in the menu. The glassware will be the same. If you'll ask for a takeaway, then it will be a different thing. Their menu is vast and there are a lot of choices to choose from. I'm sure you'll get confused what to have. And this is the area guys. This is like a walk-in chiller where you can go inside. You can have photos with these fruit sculptures. From outside it looks really appealing and lovely. These are all fresh fruits guys, and they are very popular for this kind of things. This juice world is Saudi Arabic company guys, and they are very popular for their nutritious products. So guys, this is my juice combination, avocado and mango. My friend is having avocado juice and he is also having avocado mango. This is really yummy. Guys, if you're looking for something healthy and tasty, this is the thing you should have. Every sip is mouth-watering. Friends, you must try. Wow. So guys, these are the lollies I was talking about. Looks delicious. Friends, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. This is the first video I made on destination visit. I'm trying to make videos on different topic guys. In the comments you can tell me what kind of videos you would like to watch. Soon new cocktail video is coming. Till the time, take care and enjoy the life.